Hey, what's up, high-end audio fanatics? Welcome back to Consumer Help. Today, we've got something truly special for you. 4 legendary amplifiers that are pushing the absolute limits of sound and engineering. These aren't your everyday pieces of kit. Each one is a masterpiece, packing the power and elegance to change your entire music experience forever. Get ready, because on this journey, we're diving deep into the world of audio beasts with an average price tag of a cool $90,000. We're talking about the iconic power of audio research, the British sophistication of Naim, the meticulous German engineering of Accustic Arts, and the innovative vision of CHORD Electronics. These amplifiers aren't just about making noise, they're status symbols in their own right. So, what exactly does an investment like this get you? That's exactly what we're here to explore in an unforgettable quest to the pinnacle of sound. We're venturing to the absolute peak of sound with a true titan of engineering, the CHORD Electronics ULTIMA mono power amplifiers. These aren't just about brute force. They're about delivering music with breathtaking detail and unparalleled refinement. CHORD Electronics for over 30 years has been crafting award-winning, no-compromise technology, and the Ultima, it's their flagship statement, featuring a completely new circuit design, the first truly fresh approach since the company's early days. This advanced dual-feed forward error correction technology, inspired by brilliant minds in audio engineering, gives the Ultima incredible accuracy and control. Now get this, each Ultima mono amp packs a staggering 64 proprietary MOSFET output transistors. This immense power is managed by an ultra-low distortion, high-speed driver circuit. The result? A monstrous 780 watts into 8 ohms, a massive 1400 watts into 4 ohms, and an unbelievable 2500 watts into 2 ohms. The Ultima's peak output current exceeds 500 amps, meaning it can deliver those dynamic peaks with lightning-fast speed, giving you astonishing dynamics, perfect timing, and truly unrivaled musicality. Just like all CHORD gear, the ULTIMA boasts incredible build quality. Drawing inspiration from the aerospace industry, each amplifier starts as a single billet of aircraft-grade aluminum, meticulously crafted by a dedicated engineer. It undergoes rigorous testing before earning that coveted CHORD Electronics badge. The Ultima is engineered to effortlessly drive even the most demanding loudspeakers. But it's not just about power, it's about the control and finesse it brings to your music, revealing every nuance and every emotion. If you're chasing the ultimate high-end audio experience, the CHORD Electronics Ultima is a serious contender you absolutely need to consider. Join us next time as we continue our exploration into the captivating world of high-performance audio. Stay tuned. We're diving deep into the heart of high-end audio with 2 incredible pieces of German engineering, the Accustic Arts MONO V and the AMP-V. These aren't just about raw power. They're about capturing the very soul of music with detail and naturalness that'll blow you away. First up, we've got the MONO V, Accustic Arts reference mono power amp. This beast is a powerhouse, pumping out over 1,500 watts into 2 ohms. Yeah, you heard that right. With 20 carefully selected MOSFET transistors, custom toroidal transformers, and a massive power supply over 110,000 microfarads, it takes complete control of your speakers, revealing every single nuance in your music. Plus, the switchable damping factor linearization helps optimize the interaction with your speakers for tighter, cleaner bass. For the stereo lovers out there, meet the AMP-V. This integrated stereo power amp perfectly balances power and finesse, delivering a solid 900 watts per channel into 8 ohms with incredible dynamic range and detail. Featuring a current mirror dual mono MOSFET design, gold-plated PCB traces, and another hefty power supply, it offers both punch and subtlety. And with those gold-plated speaker terminals for bi-wiring, bi-amping, and the damping factor linearization, this amp is a seriously versatile high-end solution. Now, when you actually listen to these Accustic Arts amps, that's when the magic happens. The music transcends just being sound. It becomes a living, breathing experience. You'll hear the unique character of every instrument, the subtle breaths of the vocalists, and the entire atmosphere of the recording with unbelievable clarity and naturalness. Handcrafted in Germany, these masterpieces are for those who want to explore the deepest layers of their music and experience it with all its emotional intensity. Join us next time as we embark on another sonic adventure into the fascinating world of high-end audio. Stay tuned. All right, audiophiles, buckle up. Today we're diving into something that's gonna blow your mind. The Naim statement. This isn't just an amp system, it's a freaking masterpiece. Naim's throwing down the gauntlet and setting a whole new standard for high-end audio. Naim's vision, no limits, just pure sound. Naim's one of those British companies that just gets it. They're all about pushing boundaries. And the statement? It's their ultimate flex. They basically told their engineers, forget about budgets, forget about practicality, just build the best damn amp you can, and man, did they deliver. Tech that'll make your jaw drop. Vertical design. They flipped the script on amp design, stacking the power supplies at the bottom to kill vibrations. Dual volume control, DVC, smooth volume changes, then bam, it switches to a super precise resistor setup. Vertical suspension isolation. The preamp boards float on springs so no vibrations mess with the sound. No global feedback. 3-stage design. The power amps are lightning fast and super clean. Naim 009 transistors. These are some seriously high-tech transistors, running cooler and cleaner than anything else out there. Statement discrete regulators. The power supplies are insanely precise, keeping everything rock solid. Listening. Experience, like being there. When you listen to the Naim statement, it's not just music. It's an experience. It's like the musicians are right there in the room with you. The soundstage is huge, every instrument is crystal clear, and the vocals, forget about it. Design, form meets function. This thing isn't just about sound, it's a work of art. Every piece, every screw, it's all about performance and looking damn good doing it. Naim S1. Preamp, 3 RCA line inputs, 2 XLR analog inputs, 1 XLR analog output, NAP S1 mono amps, 1,450 watts per channel at 4 ohms, 746 watts per channel at 8 ohms. Bottom line, game changer. The Naim statement isn't just another high-end amp system. It's a statement. It's for those who want the absolute best, no compromises. If you're serious about sound, this is it. Something that's bound to get the hearts of high-end audio enthusiasts racing. We're talking about Audio Research and their brand new flagship, the reference 330M monoblock amplifiers. Now, Audio Research is making a bold claim, calling this perhaps the finest valve amp ever made. Big words, right? Let's dive in and see what's behind them. Now, Audio Research has been at the pinnacle of this game for over 50 years, and with the 330M, their goal is crystal clear, not just to let you hear the music, but to make you truly experience it. They want you to feel the atmosphere of the studio or the concert hall, that infrasonic depth, the details of the space itself. You know how sometimes you listen to a system and think, yeah, it sounds good, but other times you're just like, wow, I feel like I'm right there. That's exactly the feeling the 330 million is aiming for. So where does all this magic come from? We're talking a massive 330 watts per monoblock, and they achieve this with a fully tube-based signal path. At its heart are 6 KT 170 tubes per amp, considered some of the most advanced high-power audio tubes available today. Looking at the tech specs briefly, it delivers this power into both 4 and 8 ohm speaker loads. Connectivity-wise, you've got both balanced XLR and standard RCA inputs, and of course, critical features like auto bias are included to keep those powerful tubes running at their best and extend their life. But it's not just about raw power and specs. Audio Research claims they've managed to combine this immense power with the kind of finesse, detail, and purity you usually associate with lower-powered amplifiers. And you just have to talk about the design. That iconic Ghost Meter VU display seemingly floating behind the dual-layer glass window, it's simply mesmerizing. These amps are hand-built in Minnesota. Every component is carefully selected and assembled. It's not just technology, it's a true piece of craftsmanship. So in short, they promise an amplifier that controls your speakers with an iron grip, delivering dynamic, detailed sound, but with soul. This is a serious piece of equipment designed for those who want to hear music in its purest, most uncompromising form. The Audio Research reference 330M is available now via special order. The price? Well, as you'd expect for something at this level, it's around $90,000 for a stereo pair. Yes, that's a serious price tag, but the experience it claims to offer is equally ambitious. Music gently swells up. So, what do you guys think? If you had the chance to listen to these, what's the first track you'd play? Let me know down in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care. Music fades out.